Ganda niya, diba? And I've heard good reviews that this is really worth the money because it's transfer proof. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm still here in Singapore. I'm right here at the hotel. This is my little corner in my little place of safety here. Okay, so I'm gonna be sharing with you my part of my vacation haul. I'm saying because I still have one more day of shopping. So this is like a luxury makeup and skincare haul. And I got also a bit of activewear as well. So, Singapore is an awesome place for shopping. As you all know, we have the famous Orchard Road Strip, which has a lot of malls, which both have luxury and more mainstream brands. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got during the trip. So, most of them naman are like, yung mga ginagamit ko talaga, plus a few reviews. And I had to also replace some expired makeup due to the pandemic since I'm starting to work again. So here, first of all, we have here my Bath and Body Works haul. I got this in Jewel Changi. Bath and Body Works, you know, I super love Bath and Body Works kasi they really remind me of high school. Ayan. So I got here like mini-size travel shower gels. I mean, I buy from resellers, pero iba pa rin yung naamoy mo yung products, right? Tsaka natatouch, nafe-feel, nakita, ganun. Kasi sometimes perfumes are really hard to buy, even if you really super detailed explain kung ano siya. So, I got here first the 2 shower gels. This is You're the One. This is super perfume na yung smell. It's fruity. May pagka-strawberry siya, but a bit ambery, bango-bango. And this one's Into the Night. Parang it has that same vibe as Dahlia or YSL. Perfume din siya, but it's more on the sweeter side. And nagamit ko na siya, so there's a bit of bawas, travel size. Tapos when I was about to pay, the girl said na, hey, pwede kang magdagdag ng isa pa. Kasi it's buy 2 get 1 free. So I got this. This is Dark Kiss. It's a very nice, fruity but light, sweet, very like scent. So bango niya. I have the older packaging and this is the newer one. And the reason why I prefer itong travel size mist kasi ang tagal ko bago makaubos nito. Like yung warm vanilla sugar ko that I bought like 2 years ago. It still smells nice by the way. It's just until here, guys. So alam niyo yun, tagal sa akin yan. Okay? So, there's my Bath and Body Works haul. It was my first Sephora haul. I'm saying it's the first kasi, like second Sephora haul. So, this one, I got Gucci lipstick. Gucci lipsticks are like $60 Singapore dollars per tube. I got a very nice universal color. I usually get matte lipsticks kasi ang tendency sa akin ng mga satin or shimmer is that it tend to feather. So, it's okay lang for the first time, first application, and then it starts to feather. So, mas gusto ko to because it really stays put in your lips. The shade is, they met in Argentina. So, it's very neutral, matte. Let's watch it na. Coral. Ganda niya, diba? So, it has that earthy vibe. Tapos, pwede rin siya sa bride. Pwede for everyday. Okay, so, and I got this as a welcome gift kasi na-upgrade yung aking Sephora membership. This is Biosons. It's travel size skincare. Am I getting all these travel size skincare because dadami na yung travel ko? I sure hope so. So, I used the eye cream na last night. Ang ganda-ganda niya. This one. Tapos, it's unscented as well. It doesn't itch my eyes after. Because sometimes, I get that with eye cream, kumakating mata ko. And then, this is the Omega Repair Cream. Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. I guess this is a nighttime cream, so gamitin ko ito mamaya. But I want to test it first here to see if my skin reacts to it. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna use it. And then I got yesterday, this is at Sephora Iron Orchard. I got like a sheet mask in Sakura. Wala lang, gusto ko lang ng sheet mask kasi when you travel, your skin tends to get dry as plain. And this is so cute. This is like part of the Christmas knickknacks that they were selling. If you can't afford the full-size Natasha Denona palettes, you can get the small mini ones or the travel size ones. This one is so cute kasi, kalabaw, because it's only 3. Oh my god, ang cute to, diba? Baby gold palette. So, tatlo lang siya. It's all you need. I mean, you can bring this with travel, tapos just bring like a highlighter. Okay ka na para dito. So, this one, you can use sa lid. This is your contour crease and your liner color. Tapos ito yung highlight. And then, just put like an hourglass na ambient light dito. Super okay ka na. But I think I'm gonna use this today kasi ang ano niya ang foolproof niya. And it's so pigmented, guys. So that's my Sephora haul. And oh my gosh, I forgot to mention, I got a few more samples. The Sephora over at Raffles City was so nice to give me samples. I got like the blister packs of the foundation para I know what shade I am. And ano to? Ano ba to? And I have these moisturizers, I guess, na hyaluronic acid moisturizers from Sephora. And then I got here another sample. Ayan, meron pa pala dito. Hey, this is fresh. This is a soy face cleanser and a rose face mask. And I have here a dream face cream from Fresh, and I have a super serum eclat from Sephora, or ano ba yun? Ultra Glow Serum. Ang cute to, travel size siya. Another one, taking a break from the makeup and skincare and that stuff. I got here shorts, yoga shorts from Lululemon. This one is 92 SG dollars. Ang cute niya. It's periwinkle. It's not too short. Tapos, ano siya, it's so buttery and comfortable, but it's not like super tight na nagmo-muffin top ka. Okay? I'm a size 8. Some Wonder Train HR short. And then, ano siya, hindi siya mainit sa katawan. So, and really take good care of your Lululemon clothes. You can wash them sa washing machine. Just don't use Fabcon and don't put them in the dryer. So that's my Lululemon. And I love their bag. It's reusable. Like, ang dami mo magagamit dito. Like, here, buhay ka na. Last are my 2 purchases from Dior and Chanel. So, this is like my promise to myself. Pag, nag-travel ulit ako, I'll get myself this. So, I got this one in Chanel. This is my first Chanel lipstick. And I love yung mga tao sa Chanel. The sales people there, they're so nice. They don't judge you kahit na lipstick lang kukunin mo. They're very helpful in answering your questions. So, I asked her to choose a universal bridal shade for me. So, this one is... Oh my gosh, anong shade ito, dear? Abstract. Yeah, this is Abstract. Shade number 69, Abstract. So, I'm gonna compare this with the Gucci because I got also in matte. So, parang I needed like a few swipes pa to get the color. So, it's not like super head-on dry matte. So, may pagka-pinkish siya as compared with the orange coral-like ng Gucci when they met in Argentina. Abstract is more mauvey brown pink na may konting shimmer as you can see with the light, pero hindi siya feathery inducing. And I love the Chanel case. It's so elegant. You just click and it closes, click, and it comes back here. So, ayun, it has the Chanel logo. Pretty, diba? And also, what I love about Chanel, like, doing their gift wrapping or package wrapping is such an art. See, guys, ang ganda-ganda. It's so Instagrammable. Plus, means that the receipt is in a cute little folder. By the way, guys, please save your receipts whenever you go in shopping in Singapore. You can refund the tax because, especially if you're a tourist at the airport, you just need to present the receipt. And I think there's like a minimum yata na $300 accumulated purchases before you can refund the tax. And the refund can be used for more shopping in the future. So this is also what I got from Dior. This is from Raffles then. So this one is always sold out sa lahat ng mga Dior counters sa Philippines. So sabi ng mga taga Dior, some of their clients just bought abroad kasi it was sold out for months. Sobrang one of their best sellers. I'm so glad I bought this already. It's so pretty. This is the Dior Backstage. Obviously, it's in pink. It's my favorite. Highly recommended. Rosy Glow Blush in 001 Pink. I'll show you the pretty pink. Oh my gosh, guys. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Although nakakapanghinayang siya gamitin because if you look closely, focus my dearest, there's the Dior emblem here. So nakakapanghinayang because when you use the blush, syempre matatanggal yung mark, but at least gamit na gamit yung blush. It's buildable and sheer, so you can use it like on top of a very neutral mauve blush. Parang pampa-fresh siya. And I've heard good reviews that this is really worth the money because it's transfer proof. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my part 1 of my saying part 1 kasi pwede pang humabol mamaya. So this is part 1 of my Singapore shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Like? Say like. Like.
Subscribe.